Hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn about tuple in Python, and in our last video we learned about sets in Python, which is also a collection in Python, and tuple is also another form of collection in Python. Till now we have learned two collection and this is our third one. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So tuple is simply a collection in which we can store our data, and it is different from lists and sets in the aspect like its orders cannot be changed. Like once a tuple is created, you cannot change the value order. Like the index 0 will be at 0, you cannot change it. And the tuple can have duplicate values, and like I said, it is ordered. It follows a particular order, so it must have an index, but you cannot manipulate the values using the index. So let's make our first tuple. X equals to bracket, and you can add any type of data types inside it. I am adding string here, then number, then a boolean value, and you can have duplicate values in a tuple. I have two duplicate values, string and one number, one boolean. Now let's try printing it. I'll save it and run it. Oops, oh, my bad. I'll run it from here. See, it prints our tuple. So like I said, you can have duplicate values. Now I said that the order is unchangeable. So let's try manipulating the values. X of 0 equal to 1. I'll save it. It shows no error, but I'll try running it, and it throws an error. That object does not support item assignment. So you cannot manipulate the values of a tuple once it is created. And like in sets and lists, I showed you a length function. You can use it to find the length of a tuple. I'll show it to you. The length is 4. So that was all about tuple. It is ordered, unchangeable, and can have duplicate values, and its values cannot be manipulated once it is created. So that was all about tuple. I'll see you in next video, which will be about dictionaries. Till then, see ya guys.